Alright you guys, we have another video yet again with the Mustang GT. This time it is going to be a little exhaust review of the Roush Extreme Performance Catback. So basically what we got is we have the polished stainless steel tips from Roush. This is going to be basically a straight through setup. It has two resonators down below. Get underneath the cover and check it out. So got the polished tips. Runs back 2.5-inch piping, dual pipes, all the way back. Keeps going. And then it hits the resonators there. Keeps going, and then you run into the main setup. So basically, this exhaust setup right now on American Muscle is $725. So you can go ahead and pick it up there. I'll leave a link down below. But I'm sure you guys want to hear how it sounds. So the car is semi-cold right now. It's not 100% cold start, so try to position you guys a little bit. Maybe right here. All right. So I'm gonna give it a start up. I'm gonna give it some revs, and then we'll go ahead and go inside the car and hear how it sounds. This car, even though the exhaust is loud, there's very little drone on highway speeds. Very little, if not, it's almost non-existent. So as you guys can hear, it has a deep groan to it. It's a nice pitch. It has a little bit of that subtle rumble. Then we'll go ahead and inside and see how it sounds. I'll leave the door open at first, and then I'll close the door as well. So I'll let you guys watch the RPMs. Alright, so like I said, it's pretty loud, but I mean, it could be worse. It's a good loud. It sounds good, the tone's good, all the above. Now we'll go ahead and do it with doors closed. Let you guys watch that RPM gauge. So that's basically the Roush Extreme Performance Catback exhaust. Now this fits the 4.6 liter V8 as well as the GT500. It fits 05 to 09. Installation is super easy. A bunch of basically like V-band clamps. You just go ahead up under there, pull out the old, reclamp the new. Maybe takes about probably roughly 2 hours, somewhere around there. I think American Muscle actually has the timing, how much they project it to be as well. But so that's basically what you get with the Roush Extreme Performance Catback. Let me know what you guys think about the sound down below. Headers would obviously wake this thing up a lot, but I think it sounds pretty good for what it is, especially considering all it is a catback and it's just opening it up a lot. But if you liked the video, leave a like. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel down below. And like always, shout out to the Mustang guys. It's a pretty good platform. Besides that, thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.